Hey everyone, it's Diana. In this video, we're making sweet and tangy turkey sloppy joes. Start out by chopping green bell peppers as well as a large yellow onion. Then to your pan, add olive oil, ground turkey, the chopped bell peppers, and chopped onion. Cook this over medium heat until the meat is cooked all the way through and the peppers and onions have softened. Make sure to stir it occasionally. Use your spatula to break the meat up as you go so that you don't have any big chunks. Mine took about 15 minutes to finish cooking. I didn't have any grease to drain off, but if you do have grease coming off your meat, go ahead and drain it now. Then add onion powder, garlic powder, salt, and black pepper. Stir those in and continue to cook it in with the meat for another 1 to 2 minutes so that everything gets well incorporated. Once you've done that, drop your heat down to low and add ketchup, barbecue sauce. I like the flavor of Sweet Baby Ray's, brown sugar, yellow mustard, and Worcestershire sauce. Mix everything up really well. Then raise your heat back up to medium and bring the mixture to a simmer. Let it cook for another 5 to 10 minutes, making sure you stir it pretty frequently. And you can go ahead and cut the heat once the sauce is thickened up to your desired consistency. And that's all there is to it. You're ready to serve your sloppy joes. Just grab a hamburger bun and go ahead and put your meat mixture on there as much as you like. I usually get about 6 sandwiches out of this, but it will depend on the size of your hamburger buns and how much meat you put on there. This is a quick and easy dinner. If you are interested in the recipe, you can find it in the description. Thank you so much for watching.